In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Klaviyo, an essential step for accurately aligning your email marketing efforts with your store's currency, ensuring consistency across all your customer interactions. This quick and straightforward guide will have your Klaviyo currency settings updated in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. If you're not already logged in, simply head over to the Klaviyo website and find the login button. This step is crucial as it grants you access to your dashboard from where you can manage all your Klaviyo settings, including the currency setting we're focusing on today. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Klaviyo account. It's important that you enter these details correctly to avoid any access issues. If by chance you've forgotten your password, don't sweat it. Simply use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once your login credentials are entered, go ahead and click on the Login button to proceed. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the Klaviyo dashboard, which serves as your command center for all things email marketing. Now, to find the currency settings, you'll need to navigate to your Klaviyo profile. Look towards the bottom left of your dashboard, and you'll notice a small profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select Profile to access your profile settings. With your profile page now open, the next step is to locate the Settings button. This should be fairly straightforward to find, but just for clarity, it's usually situated near the top right side of your page, sometimes symbolized by a gear icon. Clicking on Settings will bring you closer to where you can adjust your currency settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Personal. This is where Klaviyo keeps all personal account settings, including the language preferences, time zone, and critically, the currency settings we are looking to adjust. Click on Personal to proceed. Upon navigating to the Personal settings, you'll find various options related to your account. Search for the account currency option, which, as you might guess, is where you can choose the currency you wish to use across your Klaviyo account. This setting ensures that all your financial data, including any analytics or reports, reflect the currency that's most relevant to your business operations. Click on Account Currency, and a drop-down menu will appear listing all the available currencies that Klaviyo supports. Scroll through this list until you find the currency you operate in and select it. This step is critical for ensuring the consistency of financial data across your marketing platforms, especially if your store operates in a different currency than what was previously set in Klaviyo. Once you've selected your desired currency, remember to save your changes. This might seem like a small step, but it's absolutely essential for the new settings to take effect. Without saving, your account would continue using the old currency settings, negating the effort you've put in so far. Congratulations, you've now successfully changed the currency settings in your Klaviyo account. This adjustment will ensure that all your future email campaigns, transactional emails, and analytics are perfectly aligned with your store's currency, providing a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Remember, maintaining consistent currency settings across all your business platforms not only enhances your operational efficiency, but also helps in presenting a professional image to your customers. It's these small details that contribute to building trust and credibility with your audience, ultimately supporting the growth and success of your business. That wraps up our tutorial on how to change your currency settings in Klaviyo. Simple, right? With this task out of the way, you can now focus on crafting those engaging email campaigns, knowing that your financial data aligns perfectly with your business operations. Thank you for following along, and here's to your continued success in all your email marketing endeavors.